What's going on, everyone? Trent here at Rocky Mountain ATV, here to give you a good look at the Tusk Cargo Rack. Now, if you've got an Xpedition in your garage, you already know it's a blast to take out hunting and camping, but you can run out of areas to hold down all that cargo. This right here is gonna solve that. This is made out of 8-inch thick steel and it's laser cut. As you look over this, we made this so it's got a lot of cutouts to give you a lot of different locations to tie downs to and to hold stuff down. Now, on top of this being laser cut steel, it's also powder coated. That's gonna give it this nice black finish that's gonna hold up for a long time and look great throughout the life of you having this on your machine. Now, when it comes to this, we did build this for maximum durability, and you'll notice we also rolled these edges upwards to give you a few more locations to hold stuff down. If you're looking to get out in your UTV and carry as much stuff as possible, you've got to get one of these on your machine. To check it out, click on the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com to get yours. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain ATV is the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.